Hey, so we're getting ready. We're gonna go up to Loon Lake. We're going to Loon Lake. Just waiting for the guys to get here, and we're gonna go up through Georgetown and go check out what Loon Lake's like. See you there. What's going on in here? Everyone's here. Palm's getting the final drink. Riders today is Palm, Tong, Gary, RJ, and yours truly. And we're going to stop off in Georgetown quickly and then carry on up to Loon Lake.
You're the #1 agent, okay?
Huh?
Remember you put on your YouTube? Say like,
No. Oh, go ahead. No, say it. He's got no guts to say it. Say it.
No.
Say it.
Don't do that, I'm gonna get deported.
I just pick a lane. You're gonna be over here. I'll stay out of your way.
On the. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's roll. Stopping in Georgetown on the way. Palm's hungry. Yeah. Good breakfast at the corner kitchen. We ate there a few months ago. Doesn't look much, but man, it's good breakfast.
I can't eat the sausage, it's too big.
Well, we all know who's got the biggest sausage.
You are recording it? go Sturgis next year. If you bring us for a 2.0 next year.
So you're going Sturgis. We're going Sturgis. We're going Sturgis.
Is it recorded?
We're going to Sturgis. Who's going swimming? Yeah? You got some bikini briefs on?
No, naked beach.
We got our own private beach. If you go in naked, I'll follow.
I'm not gonna be naked.
No, I'm not coming in then. Palm, are you going to be naked?
No.
You get naked, I'll come in.
Come on. Oh, take off your shirt.
I haven't seen him wear sexy though. I kind of like it.
It is. It's like he's teasing. He's teasing us.
What the rest of the body would look like.
Let's see what's going on down here. See how warm it is.
It's good, huh?
Oh, it's refreshing.
Finally.
We got our own private beach. It's beautiful here. Wow.
Are you recording still?
Oh yeah, I'm recording everything.
Oh God.
Oh, Palm's got a log. Palm found a log.
Really added up to this.
Feels the water. Still feels cold.
Oh yeah.
Until once you completely submerge for like 10 seconds, then the water feels actually warm.
Yeah.
Weirdly enough, I got in, it was cold as can be. But when I got submerged, hey, I got a little bit of sleep. I got a little bit of sleep.
Hey, who's darker? Who's darker? Come on. I think I got it.
Nice day.
Hella nice water. This is like beautiful spot.
All be nice is we can have a couple sandwiches to eat.
Yeah, I know.
You know what I mean?
The best part, we didn't have to pay for no fucking park ranger.
Exactly.
Right? Yeah.
I hate that shit.
When we
Especially
drive in,
all of
pay
us.
30-40 bucks just for like 5 minutes. And this time when I actually stay here, like I would have mind paying this.
Exactly.
It
What's her name?
Her name is Scotia.
Scotia?
Scotia, because she's just a Scotia of a dog.
Oh, so cute. She likes to ride, huh?
Oh yeah. She loves to ride. She loves to whitewater kayak. She loves to everything we do. She's
Really?
with us all the time.
And he goes everywhere, huh? Can I make a fuss at her?
She.
Her?
It's a little girl.
Hey, baby.
She says, my name is Scotia.
loves everything.
She says my perfect day is when people want to talk to me.
You're so cute. So cute.
She loves everything.
Fix your ear, you look kind of stupid.
How old is Scotia?
Scotia's 11 months old. She's still got a lot of puppy in her,
She's so cute.
but she's a perfect little
Huh?
girl. She just is perfect.
You don't to get a trike.
If I have room in the garage, I'll get it for the windy days.
So we just got a snack. We're gonna head home. Everyone's gonna go their separate ways. And yeah, that's a wrap. So please like, subscribe, share, comment. We'd love to get some of those going. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next one.